So my name is Stanley. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your vast YouTube video. In the previous video I was able to show you some of the ways you can come up with a simple YouTube channel. So for you to upload the first video, what you're supposed to do, assuming that this is your home page, on the right up side you click up there, then something will pop up. Then you can see your channel, your paid membership, your studio. So what you're supposed to do, you click on the YouTube studio. So it will take you to this point. Just as you can see, this is the channel, the name of my channel. We have the video, the playlist, and the analysis. You can also go downwards. We have the comments, we have the subtitle, we have monetization, and the audio library. So for you to upload the first video, you have two options. You can either click here, upload video, or on the upper right side there is also these other icons. So you can either use either of the two. So after you click that part, it will bring you to this other part. So just as you can see, we are being told that you can drag and drop the file you want to upload, or you can select the file you want to upload. So I had already opened the folder which contains the video I want to upload. So I will move downwards. So here comes the video I wish to upload. So what I will do, rather than going all the way to select, I will pick the video, then drop it at that point, just as you can see. So the video is being uploaded, just as you can see. Then up there, the video is being saved as a draft. So what I will need to do, having uploaded my video, I will come up with the title of the video, then the description, just as you can see. Then apart from description, you can move downwards. We have the thumbnail. I will need you to include the thumbnail, a catch one for my video to attract more people. Then on this point, I'll need to select the type of audience I'm targeting. We have it's made for the kids or those people above the age of the gap. Then we have more options down here. Then on this part we have paid promotion. Then the most important part is the tags. You need to come up with a good tags so that your video can be viewed by many people. Then after that you'll move to the next. I've forgotten to click for the age, it's not for the kids. Then I'll move to next. Then next, having done all those things, the next step will be either to publish my video. So there is two options: is it for the public or private, or it's unlisted? So I will select it's for public. Then after that I will click the publish button. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to down here to click the subscription button. Thank you.